Today we are going to show you two wonderful ways to fold your towels so that they look this elegant. Both ways work for big and small towels, but we are going to do one with a hand towel and the other with a bath towel. As you can see, they are two very elegant ways to fold your towels that will allow you to save space and have better placed towels in your closets. The steps are very simple, you just have to see how I do it on the screen. To fold the towel, you have to make a little pressure to make it compact. When you finish rolling it up, you have to take this little tip and put it through the side of the towel so that it fits perfectly and does not unravel. It will look just as good as this. Let's go to the second way, for which we will use as an example a bath towel, which is already folded in half, as you can see. Be careful not to overdo this fold, it is better to do it as shown in the video. As in the first case, it is important that you make pressure when rolling. And finally, this little tip must be put into the hole, as you can see here. That's why it is so important to make pressure to occupy less and to make it perfect. Now you have the towels ready for your closets so that they look nice, compact and save space. We leave you some final screenshots where you can see related videos. Please subscribe, it is very important for us, and see you in the next video.